Okay, let's look at gold real quick. All right. This morning, when news came out, I said we got a projected low of 1117.90 to buy. Okay, you see news came out. We're at 11. We're right around 1122 when I said the projected low. What I was looking at was earlier in gold. I'll show you. We were in a hard uptrend all night. Hard uptrend. Look at that hard uptrend. When you get hard uptrends where the angle's up like this, I like to buy a 62% retracement, right? Around a 62 to 76% retracement. So I noticed we were in a hard move up in gold. The market likes to move down to 62 to 76%. I noticed we had confluence here. So this is called our number one trade. Our number one trade is a deep pullback to market profile. So we got low value area is green, which nailed the low. High value is in red. So I wasn't trying to sell high value this morning. I was trying to buy low value because of the hard uptrend we had. So what we do is this. We use our Renko bars on our J signal and pull it up. We use our 3-sim Renko bar to do a pull in. And how we do it is this. The projected market profile low is 1117.90 that I gave traders in the room to look for the buy. So here was the projected low. 1117.90 was market profile down here. Make that green as low value area. There was a projected low. So we're sitting up here. We're sitting up here at 1122 at this level. We're sitting up here at 1122. And I said, this is a projected low called a number one. Okay? Number one. How do you pull yourself in? The rule of thumb is this. We don't counter trend trade number one trades in the room off these black charts, only with trend. Well, you probably say, well, the moving averages were crossed down and the magenta was down. Well, no, it's been up all night because the hard magenta up, which I showed you. So I was inclined to buy the first test of LVA. So we come down to 1117.90, and here's how you do it. You come down 1117.90 and you start getting these red bars, red bar, red bar, red bar, red bar, red bar. You do not pull yourself in off of red bar. Okay? Do not pull yourself off of red bar. Wait till it turns a blue bar or a plus sign, which is a spinning top or doji. There's my spinning top. Right there. There's my spinning top. All right? Now what you have to do is, since it's got to come within 2 ticks, maximum 3 ticks of my projected low. There's my low value that called the low after news again, 1117.90. How you pull yourself in, it's got to close above the high of that spinning top, which are blue, or the high of the doji or cross sign. Either one. I don't play off the red or red or green bars. Only off the blue that automatically come up. Notice right here, the wick doesn't count. Wick doesn't count. I use the lowest low of the doji or spinning top. There's my lowest low. I wait for it. There's the body of the candle close. Let me lighten this up a little bit. There's the body of the candle close right there. See how the body of the candle closes above my high of my spinning top. Okay? I use personally a 13 tick stop. You don't have to risk more than $150 or 15 tick stop on this trade, on the number 3 trade or number 1 trades. All right? So there's your pull in. You can put a 13 tick hard stop in once you pull yourself in automatically. And that's called a pull-in bar. Pull-in bar when it comes within 2, maximum 3 ticks. Your first target is going to be the symmetry dots. First set of symmetry. And then my overall target on my second set in market profile is up here at 22 at the time. I said bail 75% of your position there. There was first targets, there's second targets. The overall target is all the way up here, 1125. So there'll be a $700 potential trade, just under, for $130 maximum risk on gold projected low that we called out this morning. That's how we do a pull-in bar. You can see the reaction we got from the lows. There it is. Look how the number 1 trade called the low, pulling ourselves in with the Renko bar, and look at the reaction. There's your first scale. Actually, this is your second scale. Overall target's 25 on it, but you bail 75% of your position on the second set of symmetry dots. That's how number 1s are so effective. We got over 250 videos on the same trade. on number 1, number 3s on our website or our private conference calls, how you can project this low like I did this morning. All right? It's got to come within 2 ticks, maximum 3 ticks of market profile, but just don't put a buy limit there, sell limit. You got to let it pull yourself in with a pull-in bar. And you must have a pull-in bar. You must have a pull-in bar or you can't trade. All right, so that's how we do our pull-in bar off market profile. We never counter trend trade off our black charts, only with trend pullback.